Good morning all, camelbacktrading.org coming to you this Wednesday morning, April 17th. We are looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and the NQ. So let's break it down to before any market generated information starts developing. Two targets on each side for what the bulls want to do and what the bears would like to accomplish. So the bulls' first goal will be 23.25. Take out yesterday's high, you're back to balance. That would be the first target. Next would be to get into the single prints of 27.25 and then a big task of filling them at 53.75. So those are the main targets initially for the bulls. For the bears, again, yesterday's low is pretty meaningless to me. Okay? But the monthly low, which ES is the only one that has not hit, would be the first big target for the bears at 63. Then it would be to get into the gap that starts at 52.25 and doesn't get filled to 98.50. Again, a gap of that magnitude will not get filled the first time unless you have some real heavy tempo and selling and multiple single prints. Okay, this won't be that easy to fill either. I think you're going to have to go trend to fill this also. So that is your bigger picture. NQ is pretty much the same thing. First goal is take out yesterday's high, 988. You do that, back to balance. Second goal for the bulls, fill those single prints at 84. For the downside, they already got the monthly low. So what would it be? Getting back into this gap that starts at 818 and gets filled at 542.50. Again, it will not be filled the first time. I know we got into it yesterday for the first time, but it'd still be very difficult to fill without a trend day down. So that's the bigger picture before anything forms. Once the market opens and starts painting its picture, now you're going to have more destinations and targets inside of yesterday's range if we open up inside of it, right? We'll have today's IB, whatever that might be if it's inside of yesterday. Things of that nature, which will supersede what I just told you. We can't get to those other targets I just spoke about until we take out an IB high or low, if that's inside of yesterday's range. Okay? Does that make sense? Now, if we open up inside of yesterday's value, yesterday's range, again, worst of the risk reward, and most importantly, tremendous chop again. We had tremendous chop yesterday. Even though the bears controlled the day because we were in the lower distribution and below, we had tremendous chop. Well, until we resolve that, expect that. Okay? That goes for both of these things. So again, only early play, very early, is to front run the overnight high or the overnight low. Other than that, you're going to have to wait for the picture to form. That also goes for NQ. Righty, right now, we're traded above yesterday's range in the pre-market here, but they're back inside of it. And then on the chart, just quickly, because I'm going to show you the daily. Nothing can change until the daily changes. How does the daily change? You got to take out yesterday's high. You take out yesterday's high, we come into a 3-day balance, which would be Monday, Tuesday, and today. You don't take it out, sellers are still firmly in control. Good luck trading today. Thank you for liking and subscribing to this channel, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.